Hello students, welcome to e-classes of P.N. Amarse High School. We will continue with our chapter number 5, Understanding Elementary Shapes.
Question number 3. Which direction will you face if you start facing A part of question number 3, east, and make half of a revolution clockwise? Students, here we have to find out at which direction will we face if we start facing east and make half a revolution clockwise. Now solution for A part of question number 3. First we have to draw a diagram in this way: north, south, east, west. Now here we have to find out at which direction will we face if we start from east and make half a revolution. Half revolution means 180 degree. As I've explained you earlier, from east to south is 90 degree. And from south to west is again 90 degree. 90 plus 90 is 180 degree, means half revolution. So if we start facing towards east and make half a revolution clockwise, we will face towards west direction. B part of question number 3, east and make 1.5 of a revolution clockwise. Solution for B part of question number 3. Here we have to find out at which direction we will face if we start from east and make 1.5 revolution clockwise. 1.5 revolution means one complete revolution. If we make one complete revolution, then we will be at east again, and then half revolution means we will be at west direction. So if we start facing towards east and make 1.5 of a revolution clockwise, we will face towards west direction. C part of question number 3, west and make 3/4 of a revolution anti-clockwise. Solution for C part of question number 3. Here we have to find out at which direction we will face if we start from west and make 3/4 of a revolution anti-clockwise. Clockwise means we have to rotate from north to east, east to south, south to west, and west to north. And anti-clockwise means from north to west, west to south, south to east, and east to north. Now we are at west and we have to move anti-clockwise and make 3/4 of a revolution. 3/4 of a revolution means 3 right angle. From north to south, 1, west to south, 1 right angle, from south to east, other right angle, and from east to north, third right angle. So if we make 3/4 of a revolution anti-clockwise, we will be at north direction. If we start facing towards west and make 3/4 of a revolution anti-clockwise, we will face towards north direction. Now D part of question number 3, south and make 1 full revolution. Students, here we are standing facing towards south and we have to find out at which direction we will be facing if we make 1 full revolution. Should we specify clockwise or anti-clockwise for this last question? Why not? Now solution for D part of question number 3. If we start facing towards south and if we make clockwise revolution and turn 1 full revolution from south to west, west to north, north to east, and east to south. If we start facing south and make 1 full revolution clockwise, then we will be again at south direction. And if we start from south and make an anti-clockwise revolution, then also we will be at south direction. If we start facing south and make 1 full revolution, again we will face the south direction. In case of revolving 1 complete revolution either clockwise or anti-clockwise, we will be back at the original position. Question number 4. What part of a revolution have you turned through if you stand facing A. East and turn clockwise to face north, B. South and turn clockwise to face east, C. West and turn clockwise to face east? Students, here we have to find out what part of revolution we have turned if we are If we stand facing A part east and turn clockwise to face north. Solution for A part of question number 4. Here we have to find out what part of revolution have we turned if we stand facing east and turn clockwise to face north. First we have to draw the figure. If we are facing east direction and turn clockwise to face north direction, we have to make 3/4 of a revolution, that is 3 right angles. As you all know, from east to south is 1 right angle, south to west is 1 right angle, and west to north is 1 right angle. So, if we are facing towards east and turn clockwise to face north, we have to make 3/4 of a revolution, that is 3 right angles. Students, try to solve B part of question number 4 by yourself. Now C part. Here we have to find out at what part of revolution we have turned if we are standing facing west and turn clockwise to face east. For this, first we have to draw the figure. We are standing facing west and we have turned and went towards east. So from west to north is 1 right angle and from north to east is 1 right angle, means half revolution. So if we start facing towards west and turn clockwise to face east, we have to make half of a revolution, that is 2 right angles. Students, with this we end our today's video and will continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.